What if the air around you could power your car or even a spaceship? Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, it's not. Today, we read talking about how scientists are learning to turn air into fuel, literally capturing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and transforming it into a clean source of energy. It could be one of the most important technologies for our future. Right now, most of our fuel comes from fossil sources: oil, coal, natural gas, and burning them adds more carbon dioxide to the air, heating the planet. But what if, instead of digging fuel from the ground, we could pull it from the sky? That way, every time we burn it, we just putting back what we took out, creating a kind of carbon loop instead of adding more. The key is something called direct air capture. It works a bit like a giant air filter. Fans pull in air, and special materials grab the CO molecules, holding onto them like a sponge. Then, with heat or chemical reactions, the CO is released in a pure form. From there, scientists combine that CO with hydrogen, which can be made from water using renewable electricity. This process, called the Fischer-Tropsch synthesis, rearranges the atoms into liquid fuels, like synthetic petrol, diesel, or even rocket fuel. If powered by wind or solar, this could make fuel that's almost carbon neutral. Planes, ships, and industries that are hard to run on batteries could still run, but without adding new CO to the atmosphere. And in space exploration, the idea could be used on Mars, where the air is mostly CO, to make fuel for return trips. The technology works, but it's still expensive and energy intensive. Right now, it's mostly being tested in pilot plants. But as renewable energy gets cheaper and the process scales up, we could see it become a real alternative to fossil fuels. Turning air into fuel might sound like magic, but it's really just chemistry, and it could be a big part of solving our energy and climate problems. So next time you take a deep breath, remember, you might just be breathing in tomorrow's fuel. If you enjoyed learning about this, drop a like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments, what future technology are you most excited about?